Hello everyone, this is Somati Mukhopadhyay. Welcome to my channel Magic of Biology. Make the biology more interesting, more informative, and discover everything about the biological sciences. If you like this video, please share and like. If you want to continue with us, please press the bell icon. Let's start today's topic: multiple personality disorder or MPD. What is the meaning of MPD? It is a sharp form of dissociation, a mental process which produces a lack of connection in a person's thoughts, memories, feelings, actions, or sense of identity. Approx 10% of the population affected by this MPD. This group of disorders is characterized by problematic thinking patterns, problems with emotional regulation, and difficulty achieving a balance between spontaneity and impulse control. Since everyone has a personality, but not everyone has a personality disorder, this disorder are considered a variant form of normal healthy personality. Let's see what are the symptoms of MPD. There are many psychological symptoms as those found in other mental conditions, including changing levels of functioning from highly affected to disabled, severe headache or pain in other parts of body. Depersonalization means feeling disconnected from own feelings and body. Derealization, feeling that the surrounding environment is odd or unreal. Depression and mood swings, anxiety, eating and sleeping disturbance, problems with functioning, sexuality, substance abuse, hallucination, and self injurious behavior like cutting, suicide risks. Approximately 70% of the people with MPD have attempted the suicide during this. Now see the causes of MPD. MPD is a multifactorial in its etiology, where a psychological etiology of MPD include developmental traumatization and socio-cognitive sequel, biological factors including trauma-generated neurobiological response, and other risk factors like childhood medical procedures where terrorism, childhood negligibility, and child prostitution also causes the dual personality or multiple personality or MPD. Let's see the diagnostic criteria for MPD. There are several processes or pathways to diagnose the MPD. Trauma. A reported history of extensive severe childhood trauma does not have to include sexual abuse, BPD, or bipolar disorder. Period diagnosis of BPD or bipolar disorder. Criteria for BPD currently meet or subthreshold. Voices. Auditory hallucinations usually chronic. Voices may have knowns, names, and age. Blank spells. Discrete period of missing time lasting minutes, hours, or days, not because of drugs, alcohol, or a known medical condition. Switching. Sudden changes of behavioral stage. Period diagnosis like history of extensive contact with the mental health system. Numerous period diagnosis. Let's see the treatment for MPD. There are now several highly effective treatments for personality disorder that derive from the same psychological theories previously reviewed with the pharmacological intervention serving as an important adjunct. The treatment include transfer force therapy TFP, mentalization based therapy MBP, cognitive behavioral therapy CBT, schema therapy ST. Drugs like antidepressant drugs, anti-anxiety drugs, or tranquilizer may be prescribed to help control the psychological symptoms associated with it. With the proper treatment, many people who are impaired by MPD experience improvement in their ability to function in their work and personal life. Conclusion about MPD. In the conclusion, recent technological advancement and improvement to diagnostic methodologies have enabled research to study the MPD as never before. Furthermore, this research has facilitated the development of several highly effective treatments for the MPD that are evidence-based. As research continues, this treatment approaches will be further refined. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel for more updates. In this pandemic condition, be safe from the COVID-19, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay updated with us. Goodbye.